What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to use Vaseline and toothpaste. Now, do you know what this is going to do to your skin? Okay, the thing is that I actually put in other natural homemade remedy, and this is really superb. Okay, like I'm gonna be showing you how you're gonna be applying it and telling you all of the things, all of the goodness that you're going to achieve in this. And trust me guys, you have to stay to the end of this video because you are going to be loving it. Yeah, so if you're so much interested, please do continue watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video and share. Now let's dive into this video. Okay, so we're gonna be needing Blue Seal Vaseline. Now this actually helps to maintain moisture onto your skin. Okay, now if you have excessive oil skin, you can skip this particular one and use coconut oil. Yeah, all right, but if you have a normal skin or dry skin, this is actually very perfect and preferably for you. Okay, so we're gonna be grabbing a bowl, and then we're going to just take a little quantity of this, just a little quantity, yeah, and then we'll put it in a bowl. And this is actually perfect. Okay, now for this mix you can use it for just few days or 2 days thereabouts. Okay, and then the next ingredient we're going to be putting in here is rice powder. Now you can use either boiled rice, okay, or this powdered form. Now how you're going to get your powdered rice is that you're going to get your rice in the kitchen, put it in a very strong blender, and then you blend it. Okay, you're going to blend it for a little while for it to turn into a powder form, and it's actually going to be very it should be very smooth. Okay, so that when you apply it on your skin, it's perfect, because rice powder contains a numerous benefits that helps to smoothen the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin really tight. It contains a lightening property also. So we're going to be grabbing this, and then we're just going to be putting in about 1 to 2 tablespoons. It depends on how much you want your rice. Okay, so this actually do not even have a measurement, but you have to use your initiative, however you want it. Okay, so now it's always important to dry stir your ingredients, okay, so that it can actually mix very well, because an ingredient that has not mixed really well, it is not perfect. Okay, so it has to mix really well first of all. So this is what I'm doing, and then we're going to be needing just a little bit of Colgate. Okay, now if you don't have Colgate, you can actually use any white toothpaste. It's perfect also, and it's going to give that minty smell, and it's also going to help to refreshen the skin. Yeah, this actually helps to remove spots and pimples. So we're going to press in a good quantity of this paste, not too much though. Yeah, so and then we're going to mix it all up and make sure it is properly mixed and stir it. And this is perfect. Okay, so since it's dry, it's actually not going to mix very well like that, so we need to add up liquid for it to be friendly to apply. Yeah, now the next ingredient, which is actually very important for this, is rose water and glycerin. Okay, but if you don't have the one that contains the both, rose water is actually very perfect, and it should be used. Okay, now this actually helps to moisturize the skin, and it also helps to tone the skin up. It removes excessive dead skin cells, and it leaves the skin really supple young. Okay, so we're going to be measuring out about 1 tablespoon of this, and then we'll mix that up. Now the next ingredient is going to be olive oil. Now this actually helps so much for the skin. It helps to smoothen out the skin. Now if you don't have olive oil, you can replace it with coconut oil. It's perfect. It contains a benefit that works in tightening up the skin when mixed with other skin tightening remedy. Okay, so we're going to be putting in just a few drops of this, and this is actually going to be perfect. Yeah, that is okay. Then also you're going to be adding a little bit of water to liquidify this mix. And now this is a great remedy, so we're going to be stirring it and making sure that it's properly mixed together. So you're going to be patient to mix it very well. And this is a great and perfect consistency for our treatment. Okay, so for this particular ingredient, you do not actually need to refrigerate it, because when you refrigerate it, the oil will be congealed. Okay, so you don't have to refrigerate it, you just use it that way, but it does not have to be hot. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay guys, so here is the treatment, and it smells really good. I love any treatment that smells good. Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take this, you're gonna take it with a brush, and oh my god, it's so good. So you spread it evenly and generously onto your face. And the minty smell in this is really good. Alright, so after applying this generously onto your skin, then the next thing you're going to do is that man, I love the minty smell or the minty flavor. Okay, so after applying this, then you gently scrub. You have to scrub your face. Okay, so you have to make sure that the mixture is friendly enough to use it and scrub. Yeah. Okay, So you must scrub in a very gentle way, okay, so you don't bruise your skin. And after that, you're gonna notice a whole lot of difference. So you, after scrubbing, then you can hold this on for like another 2 to 3 minutes, okay. After 2 to 3 minutes, then you can go wash it off. But you have to make sure to scrub any parts that you have any difficulties or any challenges around, okay. You scrub that part really well. So I'm gonna go wash it all out. Okay guys, so after washing it all off, look at what is left on my skin. My skin is actually looking really soft and greasy, and then oh my god, it's so soft right now. You can see that. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to use a toilet soap to wash the oil out of your face, okay? And I'm going to be using the toilet soap. So that's it guys. Using all of this goodness on your skin would actually make your skin super duper smooth, flawless, remove dark spots, pimples, age-related problems, and so more, okay. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. So stay flawlessly beautiful, and bye guys.